We're in Hampden today
or Mount Vision Road.
It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. We're here with Liz. Liz, you got this great place on top of a mountain with awesome views.
Beautiful views.
Why don't you take us in, show us around, maybe show us some of the views from the balconies, all that kind of good stuff.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it. Come through the sliding glass door right into our living room, and we have the kitchen here on the left and a full bathroom on the first floor.
Yes, both the kitchen and this full bathroom are both updated. In the living room is a stunning fireplace that was original to the hunting cabin that was here before.
We're going to start heading upstairs. What do we got, Liz? Tell us about it.
We're looking at the main bedroom, which has an ensuite, a lovely view, and a spa tub.
All right, so total we have up here then is 3 bedrooms.
Yep, 3 bedrooms and a full bath.
And I love the view off of this other bedroom with the deck. That's awesome, too. And it looks like outside we have a really nice fire pit as well.
There's also a 1-car garage as well as a lovely waterfall with a beautiful Zen garden.
Hampden, thank you so much for having us here. This is a great location. You really have to come check it out. It's at the end of a dead-end street. If you want to take a look at this property, hit Liz up. She'll give you a private tour. You want to get pre-approved. That's what we're here for. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. We're out of here, Hampden. We'll see you next time.